Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the world of resin 3D printers with two heavyweights, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s and the ELEGOO Saturn. It's a battle of the titans, folks, so grab your popcorn and let's get printing. The Photon Mono M5s claims an average print speed of 105 millimeters per hour. That's like a cheetah on Red Bull. Meanwhile, the ELEGOO Saturn clocks in at 70 millimeters per hour. Not too shabby, but it's like bringing a knife to a gunfight. According to reviews, users of the Photon Mono M5s appreciate its speed and reduced print failures, making it a reliable option. Point goes to Anycubic for making speed demons out of us all. Next up, build volume. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s is pretty standard, but the ELEGOO Saturn comes in swinging with a generous build volume of 218.88 x 122.88 x 250 cubic millimeters. It's like comparing a New York apartment to a mansion in the suburbs. Reviews highlight the Saturn's large build area and its ability to handle bigger projects efficiently. ELEGOO, you win this round. More space means more room for activities, or in this case, epic prints. Printing features, folks. The Photon Mono M5s has a high-speed release film, auto device check, resin detection, and even an upgraded slicer software with an intelligent mode. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Saturn has a Fresnel collimating light source for uniform light distribution and a laser-carved build plate for better adhesion. Plus, it offers 3 printing modes with its Voxel Dance Tango software. Reviews praise the Photon Mono M5s for its user-friendly interface and minimal print failures, while the Saturn gets high marks for its build quality and easy setup. It's a tough call, but I'm leaning towards ELEGOO for that laser-carved build plate. Seriously, who doesn't love lasers? And now, the moment of truth. Price. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s will set you back about $559, while the ELEGOO Saturn is a more wallet-friendly $352. That's like choosing between a fancy steak dinner and a really good burger. Both are delicious, but one leaves you with more cash for dessert. Reviews indicate that both printers offer great value for their price, but ELEGOO takes the win for being more affordable. Point to ELEGOO. Summarizing the reviews, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s is praised for its speed, reliability, and detailed prints, though it has a learning curve. The ELEGOO Saturn is lauded for its build quality, ease of setup, and large build volume, with excellent customer service. Both printers offer high-quality results, but the choice depends on your specific needs. So there you have it, folks. Both the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s and the ELEGOO Saturn are phenomenal printers with their own strengths. If you want speed and a ton of features, go with Anycubic. If you're looking for a bigger build volume and a lighter hit on your wallet, ELEGOO is your new best friend. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.